Yo, 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 yo. Welcome guys, welcome back to another Grow a Garden video. If you're watching this before the update, you're lucky. You're actually lucky. Because we got the new summer seed pack right here, as well as the brand new, I believe, new like fruits. Why would they even add a lemon seed? Wait, they're actually adding an ice cream bean? Why is there ice cream beans? So what I'm thinking is, yeah, there's some new weather events as well. You can probably see this for yourself already. The alien invasion right here. Heat wave, so that is a heat wave event, as well as meteor shower, meteor strike. We already knew this. Space travel, that is interesting. Space travel, as well as under the sea. Under the sea, so under the sea will give you a crazy mutation. Alien invasion will also give you a crazy mutation, which is insane. W summer, new summer event in Grow a Garden. If you want to redeem these codes, just open up your codes and literally go ahead and type in exactly as I do. If you're excited for this update, drop a like and drop a sub. I don't actually know what is going to happen with old fruits, because I'm lazy. If I wasn't lazy, I would actually like find out. But we are getting some new weather events, as well as some new flowers and brand new seeds, like the ice cream bean seed, as well as the lime seed and the cherry blossom seed, lemon seed. Those gotta be like troll. No way they're gonna add like a ice cream bean. That looks so troll. I cannot believe Yenda would ever do that. But yeah, open up your codes. We got the new summer 2025. Make sure you guys redeem this code. Don't miss out on any future codes. There you go. Sub up, sub up. I don't think there's anything new though. All these fruits that I showed you, those were the wild carrot, the pear fruit, cantaloupe, wait, what is this? Parasol flower, rosy delight, elephant ears, and the rainbow pack. I mean, that is the pack that they're being kept in, the summer pack. New summer pack with all these cool little flowers. W Yandel. Can't wait for the alien invasion event to be added. I want to experience it for myself, as well as the space travel one. What is the space travel event is going to even be like? What is it going to be? Nobody knows. We will see. And I want to go under the water. Underwater event is going to be crazy. Sub up guys, sub up.